power of self-confidence. Life without confidence is like a bird with clipped wings. It may dream of soaring but remains trapped on the ground. No matter how capable you are, if doubt whispers louder than your courage, you'll never rise to your true heights. Many spend their lives hiding, afraid to try, afraid to stumble, afraid to be judged. But this story, this could be the spark that changes everything. The Silent Artist. In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a gifted young painter named Riya. Her hands could bring canvases to life, vibrant sunsets, laughing children, storms that seemed to roar off the frame. But no one knew. Ria's father, a strict schoolmaster, believed art was a frivolous distraction. Study mathematics, he'd say. Pursue something respectable. Her mother, though kind, feared defiance would bring shame. So Riya painted in secret, hiding her sketches under floorboards, her confidence crumbling like dried clay. The village art contest came once a year. The winner received a scholarship to the city's finest academy. For years, Riya watched from the shadows as others displayed their work, her heart pounding with envy and regret. What if I'm not good enough? What if father finds out? One evening, her younger sister, Mira, discovered Ria's hidden paintings. "These are beautiful," she gasped. "Why don't you enter the contest?" Riya shook her head. "No one would care. And father," Mira grabbed her wrist, "then paint for you, but try." The night before submissions, Riya hesitated, brush trembling. Then, with a shaky breath, she signed her name on a canvas, a lone eagle breaking free from chains. She slipped it into the contest hall and fled. The next day, the village buzzed. Judges marveled at the anonymous eagle painting, calling it a masterpiece of defiance. When Ria's name was announced, her father's face darkened. But then, something unexpected happened. An elderly judge approached, gripping Ria's shoulders. "Talent like yours is a gift to the world, not a secret to bury." Her father, stunned by the crowd's applause, finally met her eyes. "You did this?" Ria's voice was barely a whisper. "Yes." A pause. Then her father sighed. "Then perhaps I was wrong." The lesson, that single step, signing her name, changed everything. Riya won the scholarship, but more importantly, she won her own respect. Years later, as her art adorned galleries, she often recalled Mira's words. "Fear doesn't vanish. You just outgrow it." Confidence isn't the absence of fear. It's the decision that your dreams matter more. So ask yourself, what's your hidden canvas? And what could happen if you dared to sign your name? Vocabulary words from the story. Defiance. Meaning, open resistance or bold disobedience. Example. The judges called Ria's painting a masterpiece of defiance, as it showed an eagle breaking free from chains. Frivolous meaning. Not having any serious purpose or value. Trivial. Example. Ria's father believed art was a frivolous distraction and pushed her to study mathematics instead. Trembling. Meaning shaking involuntarily, typically as a result of anxiety, excitement, or fear. Example. Ria's hand was trembling as she signed her name on the painting the night before the contest. Scholarship. Meaning, a grant or payment made to support a student's education, awarded on the basis of academic or artistic achievement. Example. The village art contest offered a scholarship to the city's finest academy. Whisper meaning, to speak very softly, often to convey secrecy or emotion. Example. Ria's voice was barely a whisper when she said, "Yes," to her father. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.